Hi, this is Sandra. I want to show you a simple little glaze that goes on top of salmon. Yes, this is a glaze. It's a brown sugar glaze that goes on top of a salmon, y'all. I'm telling you, it has garlic, parsley flakes, and it has all kinds of goodies into this salmon. I want to turn it over and let you see what it looks like because it is fabulous. It's fabulous, y'all. This little salmon has a sweetness, but it has a maple taste as well. Yes, that's what makes it taste so good. It has a maple taste. And on the bottom of this, I'll see if I can turn it over like this. Oh, I need my spatula, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, I'm going to turn it over and let you see how beautiful it is. Look at that. Oh! That is delicious. I'm going to give you the recipe to this little sauce. Now, this little sauce is a butter and brown sugar, parsley flakes, garlic powder, and that's it. That's all you do. And you melt the butter until it gets brown. They call it brown butter. And then you add your brown sugar, and you add your garlic, and you add your parsley flake, and you stir it all together. And when it gets like this, then you add your salmon. And when you add your salmon, you just glaze it like that. That's an easy recipe. This is Sandra will tell you how to eat it, and thank you for coming to my channel. And on soulfoodqueen.net, I will show you how to do this. I will give you